Slippery little suckers.
Slippery, slippery. You laughed when you said that. Slippery little sucker.
Is that orange a slippery little sucker?
Oh.
Nicholas, what's so funny about that orange? Is it slippery? Is it a slippery little sucker? Are you trying to eat the orange?
Let me see that. Oh, you don't eat that part, Kooky.
Hey, Nicholas.
Let me see. Let me open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Let me see it. Just swallowed it.
No, he didn't take any piece off.
It's right here. Just
He just made a little dent. Oh,
just ate that. Look, that's a big chunk.
Nicholas, is that a slippery little sucker? I guess so.
Slippery little sucker.
Uh-oh, you got the giggles.
Don't eat it. No. That's a slippery little sucker.
Is that orange a slippery little sucker?
Slippery little sucker. Don't eat it. No.
That's not how we eat it. You don't know about cutting it though. Is that a slippery little sucker?
Slippery little sucker. Woo, woo, slippery, slippery. Woo, woo, slippery little sucker. Here, put this in your mouth.
It's not orange flavored, but you might like it.
There you go.